In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page website on Google Sites fast and easy. Google Sites is a versatile tool that's perfect for beginners looking to develop a website without diving into complex coding. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a multi-page website ready to showcase your projects, business, or personal interests. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google Sites by simply typing sites.google.com into the address bar. Google Sites is integrated into your Google account, so once you're there, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Google Sites. Here, you'll see any sites you've previously created and an option to create a new one. Click on New to start a fresh site. Now that you have your workspace open, you'll notice a simple, intuitive interface. The first step is to create your homepage. Every site needs a foundation, and your homepage will serve as the central hub for all the content on your site. You can click directly on the page label at the top menu to access it. This label is where you'll input the name of your homepage. Choosing a clear and descriptive name is essential, as it will help both your visitors and search engines understand what your site is about. Once you've entered a name, it's time to add more pages to expand your website. In the top right corner of your Google Sites interface, you'll see a notable plus icon. Clicking on this icon allows you to add new pages to your site easily. After clicking it, a prompt will appear asking you to type the name of the new page. This could be anything you want. For example, about us, services, or contact. Just as with the home page, make sure these names are clear and relevant to the content you plan to include on each page. After naming your new page, click Done, and you'll see this page appear in the sidebar navigation. Instantly live on your draft site.